Welcome to Fun Faith Fitness. We are doing a run with me workout. I'm going to take you on a short run today, about 3 to 4 minutes. This is good if you're just starting out running. You want to start out slow at a pace that you can talk. And as we do these, you can build up. The next one will be about 6 to 7 minutes. So keep an eye out for that one. So just start out slow. You're doing good. I like going on trails, just seeing wildlife and nature around. All right, keep going. So with running, you want to build up. You want to start out low miles, slower pace. Then as you get stronger, you can pick up the pace, go longer distances. So if you're just beginning, this is a good one for you. Start at a nice pace. Good job. All right, we're about at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Keep going. I'm gonna do a little bit more. All right, keep it up. Good job. So while I do like trails, I don't mind back roads. It's not too bad. They always seem to be quiet. All right, we got about 10 seconds left on our first run. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, nice job. First run with me, you did it. So we'll see you at the next workout. Stay tuned for the little bit longer run with me number 2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you at our next workout. Bye everyone.